I had been studying the effects of property rights on nation building and on economies. And I had studied a company called Terranet in Canada that is a private company that manages the property sort of the lands commission for the province of Ontario in Canada. And I had a chance encounter with the CEO of the company called Daniel Block in Ghana, and we both bonded over that company. And at the time, he was working with the Ghana Lands Commission to assist them with their digitization efforts. And so, really, just born from that meeting and my sort of past research into the issues, sort of I decided to sort of become an investor in the company after a few years of meeting him, and then coming back to Ghana as well to run the company here in Ghana and to try and move its efforts here in Ghana and other parts of Africa.
Wow, that sounds like a challenge. But can you tell me how your journey has been with Seso since you started in Ghana?
Yeah, I mean, like everything else, there it's ups and downs, but I think it's been going in the right direction since we started. The company started about 3.5 years or so ago, and I've been in Ghana now for about a year and a half or so. And I mean, like everything else, it's an education in terms of what we want to do. It is an innovative product, an innovative solution, and so like everything else, you'll need to sort of explain it well, market it properly, and get the right stakeholders in place. But today we do have about 25 property developers on our platform. These are and sort of one bank, Republic Bank in Ghana, is our partner here as well. We have multiple more banks who are keen to join. We work with some of the top lawyers as well here, and so and are sort of good friends with the people at the Lands Commission as well there, in terms of working with them as well. So it's been moving in the right direction. I'm an impatient person, so always wanted to happen now. But I think, yeah, by His grace, we've done quite well, I think.